Hi everyone. Welcome to DIY Ek Prem Katha. Let's make an ashtray by reusing a can. Start by cutting the lid off. Cut any rough edges. Draw a line to define the height of the ashtray and cut equidistant sections of the can. Pull out each of the cut sections. Start by folding one section over the others and keep on repeating till all the sections are complete. Fold or cut any sharp corners which may stick out. Our ashtray is complete in minutes and ready to use for the party.